everybody, how are you doing? My little ones, so long we had come step by step learning different aspects, right? We have started with the alphabet, then we came to cursive words, after that we learnt about punctuation, consonants and vowels, and finally we reached up to the topic articles. Articles are very simple to study. So today in page number 49 and 50 you have introduction about articles in a very simple way. In 51 and 52 we are going to do the exercises. Let's see how to do it. So my little ones, in English we have 3 articles. They are a and the. These 3 are very good friends. So a and the are 3 article friends. So my little ones, as I said, we are going to learn 2 articles out of 3 in class 1. Let's see how it goes. A and an always points at singular only. That means a or an is always used for singular. For example, a mango, an apple. In these 2 examples, a mango, one mango, an apple, it is only one apple. We don't have mangoes, we don't have apples. A pencil, it is one pencil, we are using a. Then an umbrella, only one umbrella, so we are using an. If it is more than one, we will not use a or an. We will frame it in a different way. So, let's see how the is used. We are not going to study in detail about it, but just an introduction. The points at singular and plural. So, it points at singular and plural. I went to the park. The park. Park is a singular. The whole thing is as one. But we are using the word the. Though it is one, we are using the. So, coming to the plural, we have, how do we frame a sentence using the plural and the? I have eaten the mangoes in the basket. I have eaten the mangoes in the basket. I have eaten the mangoes we are using for plural too. So, let's go ahead of it. Now, we are going to study only a and an in class 1. The next, my little children, a and an are used for naming words. What are naming words? They are nouns. So, my little children, the nouns like places, things, animals and people, we use for places like school, and it could be any other place. For people, for things, toys, for animals. So, my little ones, then these a and an are used in different ways depending upon the sound of the word before these articles. For example, a is used only and only for the words which are starting with a consonant sound only. So, one thing, what are consonants? Do you remember what are consonants? Come on. Yes, that's like good children. The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So, for example, if you have a word hut, H-U-T, hut, you will say a hut. You will not say an hut, you will say a hut. J, jar, J-A-R, jar, you will say a jar. You will not say an jar. Okay children, we will see more in the exercises. Now, an is used only for the words beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, isn't it? We use an only for the words which begin with a vowel sound. For example, let us take A, an apple, E, an egg, I, an ice cream, O, an owl, U, an umbrella. So my little ones, let us see how it works with few more examples. Regina ate an apple. Apple, A, R sound, it's a vowel sound. So you are using an. John is having an umbrella. R sound, that is also a vowel sound. So you are using the word an. Coming to the third, Maria is eating an ice cream. Ice, I is a vowel sound again. So you are using the word an. So my little ones, let's see the next one. I have a mango. I have a mango. M sound is a consonant, so you use the word a. Can you give me a pencil? P sound is a consonant sound, so we are using a. Coming to the third example, Pink Panther has a book. Pink Panther has a book. Book, boo. So it's a consonant sound, we are using a. So my little ones, then next we are going to see some examples and do. Please take out worksheet number 51. Okay children, now hold your pencils tight. We are going to do the exercise in page number 51. You have your worksheet like this with you with so many pictures, isn't it? Now, we are going to do this articles exercise from the beginning. Let's go to the first one. So, the first one, what do you have? Dash apple. A. What is it sound? Vowel sound. So, what are you going to write before it? A or an? A or an? Yes, that's correct. An apple. Right. Let's write an over here. A, N, an. An apple. Okay, my little ones. Let's do the next one. Banana. Banana. B. What's the sound? It's a consonant sound. So, what are we going to write? A or an? Yes, a banana. We are going to write a banana. Then go to number 3. Woman. It's woman. So if it is more than one woman, we say women. But here we say woman, woo. Woo sound, it is also a consonant sound. So what do we write here? Yes, a woman. Good. The next, children, move your fingers to number 4. Dash tree. Dash tree. Tree, T. What is it? A consonant sound. Right. So what do you get? A tree. Right. Next, let's go to 5th. Dash ant. What do you get here? Right. A-N, an. An ant. Because, why it is an ant? Because we have A as a vowel. So we are writing an before it. Next comes I. I. What is E? It is a vowel. Right, children? So what are you going to write? Good. An I. The next, let's go to umbrella. Umbrella. Ah. So what sound? Ah. Vowel A sound, right? So what do you write there? An umbrella. Correct. Next, coming to igloo. Igloo. E. I. So what is it? Yes, my little ones, it's a vowel. So you are going to write, yes, an igloo. Now, number 9, we have axe. A-X-E, axe. A. So, A is a consonant or a vowel? Right, it's a vowel. So, what are you going to write? Very good. It is A-N, an. Finally, 10th one in this worksheet. Dash pen. Pen, per. So, is it a vowel or a consonant? Right. Pen, P is a consonant. So, you write a pen. So, let's read once. An apple, a banana, a woman, a tree, an ant, an eye, an umbrella, an igloo, an axe, a pen. Let's go to the next worksheet. You have this worksheet next. It's page number 52. Here too you have some pictures. Let's continue doing the worksheet in page number 52. Write a or an before the words given below. The first word is shoe. What do you get? Sh. It's a consonant. So you will write a shoe. The next one, children. Right. An egg. Good. Then what will be the next one? Correct. A girl. Very good, children. Dash woodpecker. Come on. Yes. A woodpecker. The next, the fifth one, we have onion. So dash onion. What is it? Starting with a vowel. So what are you going to write? An onion. Right. Let's go to number 6. Dash table. T. So what is it? It's a consonant. So what will be the answer? Right. A table. Next, my little ones, we have bell. B. B sound. So it's starting with B sound. What will be the answer? Which article are you going to put it over there? Right. A bell. Next. Dash ice cream. Ice cream. I. So what do we have? It's starting with a vowel. So we are going to write an ice cream. Next, we have number 9. It's owl. Owl, ah sound, a vowel sound. When a vowel sound comes, what do you write again? An owl. Then the 10th one, dash bag. Bag. Is it a consonant or vowel sound? Right. A bag. Good. Next we have dash book. Book sound. Boo. So it is a consonant again. We write A over before book. Then number 12 we have oil tanker. Oil tanker, a tanker which carries oil. Oil. So it is a vowel. So we are going to write and before it. Then children, 13. Ink pot. E sound. E sound is a vowel sound, right? So we are going to write an ink pot. Then the 14th we have pencil. What you all have in your hand. One pencil. So pearl. What is that sound? Right, my little ones. A pencil. The next we have 15th one, dash cat. Cat. What's the sound of it? Right, it is a consonant again. What are we going to write? A cat. So let's read all these words once again. A shoe, an egg, a girl, a woodpecker, an onion, a table, a bell, an ice cream, an owl, a bag, a book, an oil tanker, an ink pot, a pencil, a cat. My little children, all these words what we have are singular. Singular means one. You learnt in pre-KG and KG, right? So, during KG time you learned that one is called singular, more than one is plural, right? All the words in this board you find are all singular. Singular means only one. One woodpecker, one ice cream, one bell, one table, one bag, one onion. That is why we have used a or an. We have used a or an because they are singular, not plural. Okay, children, this is the end of this class. We are going to do the worksheet number 53 in next class, and along with that we will be also doing the small story which you have behind it, day out. So till then, bye bye.